Number 2. Miss Baldwin is training for a race. She runs a loop around the pond near her house that is 3.6 miles long. She plans to run this loop 4.8 times. How many miles would Miss Baldwin run? So, this is going to be a multiplication problem. We're going to end with, because our goal is how many miles will she run, with our key numbers being 4.8 laps, with each lap being 3.6 miles long. So if a lap is 2 miles long and Mr. Morales is going to run it 5 times, that means he's going to be running a total of 10 laps. 2 times 5. So we now need to figure out of these 4 choices, which one represents 4.8 times 3.6. So there's multiple ways we could tackle this. We could just do 4.8, 3.6 straight up, or we could see if we could eliminate any of these options before we even begin. So I noticed this 1.728 number. If one lap is 3.6 miles long and they're running more than one lap, they're running 4 laps, that means my total distance is going to be greater than 3. So this one distance makes no sense. So instead of working with 4 choices, we're now working with 3 choices. Now we have a 33% chance of getting this question correct compared to a 25% chance. Now let's begin. So 4.8 times 3.6. 6 times 8 is 48. Put the 8, carry the 4. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 4 is 28. Scratch out that 4 so we don't get confused later. Now we're working on to the next place value. Let's bring it down. We're going to start here. Let's put a magic 0. 3 times 8 is 24. Put the 4. Put our 2 right back there. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Let's add these bad boys up. 4.8, there's 1 digit to the right of the decimal. 3.6, there's 1 to the right of the decimal. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1, 2, 17.28. Which gives us the answer C. But let's say you're not good with the multiplication of decimals. Let's see what happens if we add 3.6 just 4 times. So 3.6 plus 3.6 equals 7.2. 3.6 plus 3.6 equals 7.2. Then 7.2 plus 7.2 is 14.4. Now I really just need to add 0.8 laps more, but we're already at 14.4. Letting us know that we could also eliminate B if we decided to go that angle as well. And because we're adding 0.8 of a lap, that means we're roughly adding something less than 3.6 to 14.4. And there's no way that adding anything less than 3.6 is going to bring us our number all the way to 172. So you could have also eliminated D. So if you was not strong at multiplying decimals for this problem, you still could have gotten to the correct answer by just adding 3.6 4 times and just doing reasonability checks to eliminate your other 3 options.